Hello students, today we are going to study elasticity of demand part 3. We are going to study about factors affecting elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand depends upon various number of factors. For example, it depends upon nature of commodity, availability of close substitutes of the commodity, postponement of use, income level of buyers, proportion of income spent on a commodity, habits of the consumer, price level, time period, and multiple uses of a commodity. The first one is nature of the commodity. Some commodities may be necessities like food, textbook, seasonal vegetable, etc. Such goods are essential for life and demand for such goods do not change much in response to changes in their price. On the other hand, demand for luxuries can be very responsive to price changes. For example, demand for ACs, fashionable garment, costly furniture, etc. So in general, demand for necessities is likely to be price inelastic, while demand for luxuries good is likely to be price elastic. Second is availability of close substitute of the commodity. Though demand for food is inelastic, but the demand for specific food items are likely to be more elastic. For example, particular variety of pulses. If the prices of this variety of pulses go up, people can shift to some other variety of pulses which is close substitute. The demand for good is likely to be elastic. If close substitutes are easily available. Another example is tea and coffee. If the prices of tea increases, then people have option of coffee. They will switch to the consumption of coffee. So demand for tea will be elastic. On the other hand, if the close substitutes are not easily available, the demand for good is likely to be inelastic. Third one is postponement of use. Demand will be elastic for goods, the consumption of which can be postponed, and on the other hand, the consumption of a commodity which cannot be postponed, demand will be inelastic. Next is income level of buyers. If buyers are of high income group, then they will not care for price, so demand will be inelastic. Whereas for the low income group buyers, elasticity of demand is expected to be very high. Next point is proportion of income spent on commodities. Goods on which consumers spend a small proportion of their income like newspaper, needles, toothpaste will have an inelastic demand. On the other hand, goods on which the consumer spend a large proportion of their income like clothes, etc. tend to have elastic demand. Habit of the consumer. goods to which consumers become addicted will have inelastic demand. For example, demand for cigarettes, liquor, etc. Demand for these goods do not reduce even when their prices increases. Price level. Elasticity of demand also depends upon the level of prices of concerned commodity. Elasticity of demand will be higher at high level of prices of a commodity and low at lower level of prices. Time period. Demand is inelastic in short period, whereas it is elastic in long period. Because it is long period of time, we have enough time to change the consumption of the commodity. Multiple uses of commodity. Goods which can be put to multiple uses have elastic demand. For example, milk, it can be put to use to make tea, curd, cheese, kheer, etc. If the price of milk increases, its use will be restricted only to important purposes. Accordingly, elasticity of demand is high.